Let's talk about independent events. We're going to review the process for multiplying fractions real quick, so go ahead, I'll do the first one with you. We just multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 4 is 8. And you're going to go ahead and do the other ones. When the outcome of one event does not impact the outcome of the second event, the events are called independent. Independent probability can be determined by multiplying the probability of each event happening, or probability of A and B. So we would say the probability of A times the probability of B. In a board game, students draw a card, replace it, and then draw a second card. Determine the probability of each event. To earn 50 points, a student must draw a heart-eyed card and then an angel card. So the heart-eyed card, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total. And because we're replacing the card, the denominator is going to be 8 for both of these probabilities. So a heart-eyed card is 1, 2 out of 8, and an angel card is 1 out of 8. We multiply straight across. 2 times 1 is 2, 8 times 8 is 64, and then if you can simplify, simplify. So 1/32 would be your answer. Okay, and so go ahead and do 2, 3, and 4. Find out the probability of getting those points. And then when you're ready, turn the page. Okay, it says play tic-tac-toe with your neighbor. Carefully read each problem and solve. Okay, so first we're going to do tic-tac-toe real quick. So I guess if you're at home sick, unfortunately, grab a mom or a brother or sister or somebody and play tic-tac-toe, or get on the computer and play it against a computer. Record how many X's and how many O's. So you would be the X's, your partner would be the O's, and record how many X's and O's were drawn. So then we're going to go down here and we are going to, let's go ahead and play 5 games of tic-tac-toe and record how many X's were drawn and how many O's were drawn in those 5 games. Okay, Kylie has a coin and a number cube. She flips the coin once and rolls the number cube once. What is the probability that the coin lands tails up and the cube lands on a 4? So tails up, cube lands on a 4. So flipping the coin once and rolling the number cube once, for a coin to land tails up, that's a half of a chance, right? For the number cube to land on a 4, that's a 1/6. And so we're just going to multiply those, and that's your probability. So go ahead and solve the rest of the probabilities on this page, and when you're ready, let's play. Okay. Use the details about the car dealership to answer the questions below. A car dealership has various combinations of vehicles in their car lot, all of which have an equally likely chance of being selected. Use the list of options below to determine the probability of each vehicle being selected. What's the probability of selecting an SUV with a blue interior? So to select an SUV, that's a 1 out of 3 probability. To get a blue interior, that's a 1 out of 4 probability. And so you're just doing that compound independent probability. Okay, and so if you get down to like number 9, where we have 3, selecting a truck, 1 out of 3. Black or blue, or means add. Okay, so black or blue, so I can have blue or black, so that's 2 out of 4, or 1/2. And a leather interior, which is also 1/2. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12. So it's going to give you a 1 out of 12 probability of getting that leather interior. Okay, go ahead and fill out the rest of those, and that is it for this activity.